Hey guys, today I'm so excited to share with you 3 amazing workout sets. Let's get into it. First up, we have this stunning green activewear set. I absolutely love the asymmetrical hemline. It's so flattering and sexy. And how cute is the gym letter print? Perfect for a casual, chic vibe, seen showing the leggings and waist area. The high-waisted leggings suck in my stomach, giving me that smooth, sculpted look. Next, I grabbed the same set in this beautiful khaki color. This color is so versatile. It's perfect for everyday wear or the gym. And the butt lifting effect. I'm in love. It really hugs my curves and gives me that lift I'm always looking for. Now, this purple set is everything. The color is perfect for spring and summer, and the high-waisted design is just what I need to smooth out my tummy. The flare pants design is so flattering. They elongate my legs and give the chic, feminine look. Plus, they're super comfy and stretchy. Now, I've got to tell you about the spring sale happening right now. Check out the full discount details in the comment section below.